go get him again.
Welcome back to the Rob Zoe channel. I'm your host Mark, and on the docket today we have an unboxing first impression video on the brand of Azzaro and part of the Chrome legendary lineup called Chrome United. No need to unbox this one. It was of course sent to me by fragflex.com. I am going to be decanting this one shortly. Might as well do a video. Somebody took a good bite out of this one. Good dent right there. Good job, buddy. Chrome United. So Chrome. If you don't know, like you're just stumbling upon this channel, Chrome and me don't get along. I don't think I've spoken about a Chrome flanker since I've given Chrome its a spectacular fragrance review, and that was 2000, probably 10 or so when I spoke about Chrome. What a horrible scent profile. I tried to kind of stay away from Azzaro. Azzaro's a really cheap brand, honestly, and that's why they are found in the bargain bin quite a bit. So Chrome is a fragrance that has like a metallic bluey, it tries to be ozonic, but it's people love this stuff. But let's see what United can do. This is the new bottle. You know, when I saw this bottle, you know, I didn't get a box, and the sticker at the bottom doesn't even say which fragrance it is. And I'm like, is this Chrome? Like, is this Chrome just got a new bottle? And I know there's a million flankers, but I was just trying to figure out which one it was. And finally they have like well, let's say like a code here for them, Fragflex, because I was going to send them a text there going, which one is this? Because I got to do decants, right? But it says Azzaro Chrome, and then it says UN, which made me think United, and then it said M for male. So I kind of deciphered the code. So United, went on Google, and yeah, this is a 2024 bottle. They changed the bottle. I actually kind of like the older bottle, but we'll get into that. But again, it sold well enough that they repackaged it and relaunched it. So let's see what this one's all about. Now, before we get into anything, if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button, smash that like button, much appreciated to my returnees. Smash the like button only. Much appreciated your support. Now let's take a look at the note breakdown and let's see what we get. And I'm assuming something aquatic's going to be in here. But in the top we got bergamot, coriander, and Sichuan pepper. So we got some spicy nuances. In the middle we got violet leaf and black tea. Ooh, that's interesting. Black tea just got my interest. Violet leaf will give out watery aspects, so I'm assuming that's what's going to be. And in the base, we got white musk and cedar. So not much attached to this. It was released back in 2013. And again, this bottle is a 2024 release. So let's get into it. Let's delve into it and see if this is just as bad as the original. Things I do. Good atomizer. Let's delve into Chrome United. No. Still has that synthetic watery blue metallic thing going on in the background, and this is just not good. It is known for, Chrome is known for that, and it's back, baby. It's doing its thing. Now I would consider the only thing that's watery in this note breakdown is the violet leaf, so I'm going to put that as the primary. If this is a violet leaf note, it is not a very good one. Oof. And there's musks. So let's put it on skin. Yeah, let's put it on skin. I don't know how this sells well. There's a little bit of a citrus appeal up top here. The bergamot is listed as the only citrus, so I'm assuming that, but it's kind of a lemony appeal. There's a little bit of kick from the Sichuan pepper, but Sichuan pepper, if you've ever smelt it in a fragrance, does have that grittiness. It has a little bit of like a big bite to it, especially done well. Here it's very, very little, but it's there, pronounced enough that you can go, okay, there's a spice in here. You know what? The one thing that it's missing, and it's the one thing that I really wanted to smell, is the black tea. It's not here. I was excited about that. The Szechuan pepper, even that, you know, if it was stronger, it would excite me because Szechuan pepper is beautiful and a lot of fragrances, really great nuance, and I think it would give it some texture in this release. This fragrance and the chromes don't have much texture to them. Very synthetic, like $10 fragrances. Yeah. So just another chrome freshie that with a little bit of a spicy kick that isn't very good, honestly. Azzaro keeps Azzaro doing Azzaro things. It's a $10 fragrance to me. Azzaro just isn't a good brand personally. They haven't done anything since, you know, you have to go like really vintage. And I mean like early 90s and that like a Azzaro put on lineup. Anything Azzaro wanted, Azzaro Chrome, cheap stuff. This ain't it. It's not as piercing as a Chrome, which is almost headache-inducing. Chrome is. My bottle has steadily gathered this much dust on top of the cap. I don't even dust it. It's not even worth dusting. But this one is going to go right beside it. But yeah, Chrome United, same kind of theme. Now, if you like the original Chrome, you'll probably like this. You'll appreciate this, but I don't like, and again, you need to know your fragrance reviewer's taste. I don't like AQUATICs to start with. Even okay ones like AQUATIC, you know, okay. But the AQUATIC genres, designers, a lot of them smell really cheap, really not my speed. And Chrome is the worst offender of like the top sellers. It is the worst. And this isn't helping. Unfortunately, that black tea note not showing up. So this one is available at fragflex.com. You can use my code TFG10. You get 10% off site-wide. So you don't have to purchase this. You can purchase anything. And with that code, the beauty of it is it doesn't expire. So keep it in your back pocket. Keep it somewhere. You can continue to purchase with that 10% coupon code. Now that you heard my take, I'd love to see yours in the comments below. Good, bad, and the ugly, right? You don't have to co-sign me. If you're a fan of Chrome and its flankers, let us know. Be proud. You know, I don't mind. I have an open mind on checking out a line that I know that I probably won't like, but there might be one. Like this one had potential. Black tea and the Szechuan pepper, even the coriander. Coriander didn't show. Szechuan pepper, a little bit. And then black tea, non-existent. So unfortunately, it just sits on an Azzaro Chrome DNA. Little nuances here and there, a little bit of a citrus bergamot thing, a little bit of pepper. So it's kind of like a fresh, spicy kind of thing, but not very good personally. And as always, a great pour fragrance will make a lasting impression. Choose your AQUATICs wisely. Thanks for watching, YouTube. Have a good one.